Make your own path is a new topic which is very much true touch to my heart, and very much I am very much connected to this topic. So hi friends, I welcome you to K Bharani. uh, so the discussion what we are having in this video is make your own path, and we'll have a small discussion, we'll have some few advices from my side. So make your own path means make your own career, make your own career following your passion, following your way of doing, following your way of education style, following what your way of doing things in a right way, or either in a right way or either in a wrong way. That totally depends on you. It's an individual choice. We are not no one to force anyone. But if you see that if a person is doing something wrong, and you are very much close to him, or you are not very much close to him or very much close to him, it doesn't matter. But if you see that if a person is doing something wrong, he's going in some other path, please try to convince him or try to give some advices. Do not do it. If he or she doesn't listen, then we leave on their fate. No one can do anything. Why? Because we are no one to force anyone. It's their own individual choice that if you want to make a good career out of it, or most out of it, what we have, or either they want to get into the rat race where they'll go on compete with others, and in the end they'll be in the rat race, and they'll force their children or someone else who got influence from them even in the same rat race. Do not follow this rat race mentality, which is herd mentality. Try to make your own path. Now try to make your own path. It may be a career, it may be your social life, it may be your personal life. It totally depends upon yourself. So basically my channel is all about career. So I'll give you a few advices for the students. Is if you are trying to make your own path, try to study hard. Try to study hard knowledge. Try to talk with as many as people so that you can learn some good skills. Be social, be sociable. Be sociable means try to be in touch with everyone. Talk with everyone so that you can learn something. There'll be very much you can learn something with anyone. There are very much takeaways would be there from anyone, so that you can pick up their skills, and you can use in your you can imbibe you, and you can use them in your journey. Please try to study, try to work hard, socialize, try to increase your network, try to increase your network, so that it will help you a lot. Make some good friends, colleagues, and be good in touch with your teachers so that they can help you in guiding your path. And try to show your parents that what you are good at, and enhance your talent. If you have something your talent, and you think that I can convert this passion into profession, please go for it. You at least give it a try, so that if you failed also later point of time, you don't have any regrets that I didn't try it, I didn't try this, I didn't try that. You'll be thinking that I have tried but I have not succeeded. Now I am in a different journey. At least you don't have regrets. So please try to convert your talent into passion. Then if you think that passion would be convertible into profession and money making source, please go for it. So try to make your own career of what you have. Own path, maybe own career, maybe. Do not get into this rat race, and do not go make yourself in a situation where getting out of it would be a very much risk taking for you and for your family, and you have to suffer a lot. Please do not do that. If you are a working professional, if you are already into making your social journey, so please continue with that. Have some good investment options, try to get some good backup funding. Maybe if you are into business and you are lacking of funds, try to convince your partners or your stakeholders. Then you can imbibe your social journey, you can imbibe your business journey with them, and you can go in a path where you are creating your own journey. If you failing or losing, that's a different case. We leave up to the opposite customers, or we leave up to the God. That is not in our hands, but giving it a try would be definitely in our hands. So please make your own thing, make your own with the best mode of you. Whatever the resources you have, make the most out of the resources whatever you have. So please, I sincerely urge for the students and the working professionals, try to create your own path. Don't get into this rat race mentality. There are many career options which are booming up. There are many career options which you do not even know of. If you think that these career options would be very much applicable for you, and it's a money making source, and you have doubt of it, please do mention in the comment section. I'll come up with that solution. We'll have some discussion in the chat room, or we'll have some discussion in my social media handles, or either I'll make some a video for that. It can be useful for the many people. So please do make your own path. Do not get into the rat race mentality. Do not blindly choose whatever you want and whatever you feel, and do not get into the society pressure. Society pressure is basically nothing but if the opposite person is doing, I have to do that. It's a greater course. If I do that course, I'll get some respect. That respect you have to earn it by doing some courses, and by earning some good money doesn't hold you respect. Respect is a good character that you have to earn yourself. Doing some shitty courses and doing in some rat race mentality courses doesn't allow you some to get some respect. In my eyes, I do not give respect to those kind of people who are in a trap. If you are a unique person, you have created your own career out of the most of the resources what you have, then that kind of a person I like to interact with. So please make your own career out of the resources what you have. Do not get into this red set mentality. I sincerely urge for the students and the working professionals. So please do enhance your skills. Do not do make your own path, build your own career, so that it will help you in your journey, and it will help our country also to establish some greater business rather than depending upon the businesses which are coming from outside of this country. So please remember what I have taught, follow these advices so that you can at least help to improve your life and your lifestyle, and you at least you'll be in a stage that you can improve and you can earn a lot of from your parents and your family members. So please share this video for all the people who want to make your own path and become a good person in their life, and thank you so much for watching.